working through a module, preparing for a post-test. So chances are you've decided not to take the module pre-test, or you've just taken it and did not earn the minimum passing score. Don't be too disappointed though. Even if you didn't score high enough to pass, you get credit on the homework for whatever you did get correct on the pre-test. This means you'll have less homework to do as you work through the module. To get ready to work through the module, you'll need a few things: lined notebook paper, earbuds or headphones, and depending on the module, possibly a calculator. You will also need to open your eText and print out your guided notebook. Once you are in MLP, the first thing you should always do is open your eText. After you open the eText section of the module you are working in, grab the pane or the tab and slide it to one side of your screen. This way it can stay open and easily visible while you work. When working through a module, you will work on one section at a time. Each section you will first fill out the guided notebook using your eText. Then you will watch the video or videos for that section, taking notes as necessary. Your next step will be to complete the homework assignment, showing your calculations on lined paper. Finally, you will complete the progress check, which is like a quiz, also showing your calculations on lined paper. If you're working in a module with 5 sections, you will go through this process 5 times. As you work through a module, you have resources to help you. If a video is confusing, you can watch it more than once or even pause to catch up on your note-taking. When doing homework, you will complete each problem on paper, then enter your answers into MLP. MLP will give you immediate feedback to let you know if your answer is correct. If you struggle with a problem, there are buttons labeled "Help me solve this" or "View an example" you can click on for some help. Your textbook, also known as your eText, is also a good resource to consult if you are confused about a problem or a process. Of course, you can always get assistance from a facilitator or instructor anytime the Math Success Center is open. In addition, if you need more assistance, the Tutoring Center offers free tutoring to Heartland students. Check the Heartland website for hours and contact information. At the end of the module, you should have a neatly organized binder with several sections of completed guided notebook pages, video notes, homework, and progress checks. Congratulations! You have just worked through the module. You are now ready to have a facilitator or your instructor check your notebook. The facilitator or the instructor will be checking your binder for completion. This is a good time to ask any remaining questions you might have about the material. Once the instructor approves your notebook and enters a completion grade, you are eligible to take the post-test for that module. When you are ready to take the post-test, you will need to take the test in a proctored testing area. You get more than one attempt to pass the post-test. If you don't make it on your first try, talk to an instructor or facilitator to get help with the problems you are missing. Good luck.